In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to implement geolocation features in the Apache server using the IP2Location Apache module, PHP programming language, and Debian OS. Let's go to github.com/ip2location/ip2location-apache. I will skip the installation part of the IP2Location Apache module as I had already installed it. You may refer to the installation guide here if you haven't installed it before. Firstly, I will demonstrate how to redirect the users to a specific URL. Let's copy this command. Run this command and make sure you see the rewrite module, shared, entry. If your rewrite module is disabled, you need to enable it by using the command shown on the right so that we can perform the rewrite operation to the incoming URL. The IP2Location geolocation database is needed for implementing the geolocation features. Let's log in to lite.ip2location.com. You may register for a free account if you do not have one. You can pick one database which suits your needs. I will use the DB3 Lite database bin file for this demonstration. Copy your download link and go back to your Linux server. Go to the directory where you would like to keep the database file. Download the database using the wget command followed by the download link copied. Replace the database code with the one you picked just now. Then, unzip the downloaded database file. Go back to the IP2Location Apache module GitHub page. Copy this code. Go back to the server. Open your Apache configuration file. Paste the code here. Edit the IP2Location DB file to the path where you have downloaded the IP2Location bin database file. After that, please ensure that the allow override is set to all to enable rewrite actions in the htaccess file. Once done, save the changes. Go back to the IP2Location Apache module GitHub page. Copy the rewrite rule under Apache Rewrite Testing section. Go back to the server. Open the htaccess file and paste the rule. You can modify the country code to redirect visitors from a different country. This rule means visitors from the United States will be redirected to google.com. Once done, save it. Restart your Apache service. Open your browser and test the result. The visitor from the United States is redirected to google.com. Next, I will demonstrate how to use geolocation in PHP to display country, region, and city information of the visitor's IP address. Open your index.php located in your project directory. Go to the IP2Location Apache module GitHub page. Select mod_ip2location_test.php. You may use variables here to display geolocation information. For example, you can use this variable to display the country code. I would like to display the country name, so I will copy this variable. Go back to index.php. Use the PHP echo function followed by the variable copied just now. Now, let's add the variables for the region and city fields as well. Lastly, save it. Open your browser to test the result. This is the geolocation information returned. Thanks for watching.